How to log in NVIDIA using your Apple ID. If you want to log in with your Apple ID in NVIDIA, then follow this instruction. First, open any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in NVIDIA. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of NVIDIA website, and here on the top right corner you can see this sign in option, click on it. Now again click on sign in. If you have created your account using your email ID, then type in your email on this field and click on continue. Now to log in with Apple, click on this login with Apple. Here type in your Apple ID. If you have forgotten your password of your Apple ID, click on this forgot password link to reset your password, and after you have typed in your email, then click on this arrow button here to continue to log in NVIDIA. So following the simple and easy steps, you can now easily log in into NVIDIA account with your Apple ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.